Hello, campers. Didn't notice you there again. Quit sneaking up on me. Today, it's time for another taste test. It's Bear Creek's Creamy Chicken with Rice Soup Bowl. It's a microwavable thing, so it's quick and handy. But I'm assuming that you can just add water and keep it stirred and heat it on the road while you're camping. That's my assumption. I could be wrong. Happened once before. But I really like Bear Creek soups regularly. The boil and mix, and I like to add stuff to them. Like I sound like a White House press secretary. Sorry, got off on a tangent. The chicken noodle soup, I'll heat up some chicken and toss that in sometimes. Add some canned or frozen vegetables, and it comes out really good. And if you use your pressure cooker, we have an Emerald air fryer, pressure air fryer or something. It's basically the Ninja with Emerald's name on it. Ninja Foodie. Sorry, there's an obnoxious dog that always wants to take part in these videos. Anyway, reduce the time by about a half of what it says, and come up with something really good. What else? They're minestrone or beef stew. Heat beef and add that and veggies. Instead of water, you can add stock or better than bouillon, and it comes out really good. Chili, their chili is really good, especially if you add like ground beef or other yummy like celery and onion. Baja. Sorry for the bouncing. Baja's trying to get the internet to throw the ball again. And Baja, the internet is not going to throw the ball for you. No. Anyway, that's it. Not why you came. You came to see the soup. See, it's very thick. Good flavor. Thick, flavorful. It's got some little carrot slices. That's good. Little potato flakes in there. Or, I guess that's not potato, it's rice. Sorry. So it's rice in there. But it tastes like a potato soup with rice. I'm going to assume it's a chicken soup or a potato soup. Stop it. Carrots, chicken fat, triglycerides, sugar, chicken, celery, spices. Corn syrup is the #1 ingredient, and then rice. Yeah. Carrots. I don't see potato. Turmeric, paprika. Tastes potatoey, but it's good. Like any of their soups, I'm sure you could add a little extra flavor and ingredients, but you wouldn't be getting a microwave meal if you're looking to spice things up, would you? It's good. Open it up, heat for 2 minutes, stir. Oh, add water, heat for 2 minutes, stir, and heat for another 30 seconds, and get this yummy potato tasting rice chicken soupy thing. Much better than your average microwave soup. So it's a thumbs up. Like I said, I'm assuming you don't need a microwave. You could add hot water and let it soak in camp, and maybe I should try that sometime. Anyway, enough rambling. You can see the fog's rolling in, and temperature's dropping, and it's time to go. Wait, let me add one more. Okay, that's out of my system. You'll have a great day and a great apocalypse. Thanks for watching. Bye!